G'day fanatics, Lenny and Shelley here again. I thought we'd give you an update on how our grass babies are going, our patch repair kit, the seeded,
Our newborns.
our newborn babies are going. We think they're going pretty well. It's been how long now? 2 weeks? 2 weeks, and this is what they look like. And as you can see, there is plenty of green in there. So this is a spreading variety. Queensland Blue Cooch does spread. So this will get thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker. So I've got some photos of the progress, so I'll put them in the video probably here. So what we're going to do going forward is we actually have some more seeds, so we're going to grow some more. And we decided that we saw these big kitty litter trays at $2 shop the other day.
Yep.
And we thought, well, let's use them. Why not? So we drilled, you might not be able to see, but we've drilled some holes in the bottom for the water to leak out. We've drilled really small holes because we're just going to use sand. We've run out of potting mix, so we're just going to use sand for this. And if we had big holes, the sand would fall out. So we're using little holes so that we don't make a mess. That's the reason. And the other reason we decided to do more is A, we've got leftover seed, and B, we used to have chickens, and the chickens destroyed everything in the backyard, which is why you don't really see me showing off the backyard. It's because the chooks destroyed it. And then a fox came along and destroyed the chickens. Sad. So what we're going to do is try and rebuild with this, our patch repair. We're going to see how we go putting in a Queensland blue lawn in the backyard. We're going to do it this way. Yeah?
Seed.
With seed. Yeah, with
No,
seed.
where is the seed?
Oh, where is the seed? It's on top of the fridge.
Okay.
Right. Get out of my pot. Actually, no, come on.
They're normally in my pot.
Yeah, I know.
Would you like some more?
Yeah, okay, just a little bit.
Stick to your own pot.
No,
Again. Boundaries, Len.
no, I don't have boundaries. You know that. There's no science to what we do. We just make it up as we go. You ever watch a YouTube video and they introduce themselves and they say, "Hi, what's going on?" How am I supposed to answer? Like the guy says, "Hey YouTube, what's going on?" As if he's going to sit there and wait for you to answer. Just say hi. Just say what's going on, because I can't answer you. So don't say it. Just a, my little
Is
gripe.
that a pet hate?
It's my pet hate for a Sunday.
Right.
All right. So again, thank you to Kuya grass seed for this grass seed. They sent us a sample to play with. and it's very, very effective. Very, very good grass seed. It's pure Queensland blue. There's nothing else that's popped up. It's all Queensland blue. It's amazing.
It's really good.
So yeah, get on the Kooyar grass seed if you would like your grass seed. I'm just going to go a handful. Now, because this is sand, we'll have to be more vigilant with the moisture, because this will dry out a lot quicker. That's a lot of seed. Do you want? I've got plenty left. Let me see, I'll put it back in there.
Yeah, it's
Smurf poo.
I just got to. Put the paddock down.
Yeah, you want good soil or sand to seed
Contact.
contact. Yeah.
Look at me.
You go with the terminology.
I know.
I've had the flu all week, so I'm a bit nasally still. Nearly died 4 times. Yes, I did.
When?
You went there
Oh,
when you were at work.
when I was at work.
Yeah.
Right. You're going to cover yours. I'm not covering mine.
Okay. Probably let's do that. That's a pretty good idea, actually.
Oh,
Did you get that from Daiso?
yes, I went to Daisy. It's a little bit dodgy though. Yeah.
It's from Daiso.
No, Daisy's good.
There's no fine tuning with it, is there?
No.
I think the holes in the bottom of the trays are smaller than the holes in the
I
water.
think we might have to re-drill some of those holes. See
Ooh.
what I mean? There we go.
Do you want me to do yours or you do yours?
I don't know again. Thank you.
All right. We shouldn't get them wet. Hey. Leave it. Okay, so these ones we kept under a wet tea towel for probably the first week until we saw some germination, just to try to keep the moisture into it, because it's, you know, it's Queensland and things dry out pretty quick. And then we've kept them here on this table in sort of filtered sunlight for another 3 or 4 days. And yesterday we actually put them out in the garden, which is sort of morning sun to probably about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yep.
They were a bit dry this morning, so we gave them a good watering, but they're doing very well. So in another week or so, we're going to actually put them in the ground, and then hopefully these will be at a stage where they're ready to go out in the sun almost. So that's where our seed project is sitting at the moment. It's doing very well. We've got a lot of green. There is a lot of green stuff there, and we're very happy with how it's going. Are you happy?
Very happy.
All right. So, yeah. All right. Bye.